Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn what is domain and range.
領域展開
What is domain? The domain of a function is the set of all possible input values.
What is range? The range of a function is a set of all possible output values.
How to get the domain and range of a function?
To get the domain of a function, firstly identify the function. A rational function is in the form of f of x is equals to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomials. Second is get the vertical asymptote of the function. Just set the denominator to 0. Q of x is equals to 0, so the values of x that make the denominator 0 are not included in the domain. Third is how to write the domain. You should write the domain as the domain is all real numbers except those found in the previous step.
How to solve for the range? Find the horizontal asymptotes and analyze the degrees of p and q. If the degree of p is less than q, the horizontal asymptote is y equals to 0. If the degree of p is equals to q, the horizontal asymptotes is y equals to a over b, where a and b are leading coefficients. If the degree of p is greater than q, there may be no horizontal asymptotes.
Let's do an example.
Example 1. F of x is equals to 3x plus 5 over x minus 2. So to get the domain, let's get the vertical asymptote. So the denominator is x minus 2, so equate it to 0, so x minus 2 is equals to 0. Transpose the negative 2 to the right side of the equation, so x is equals to 2. So the domain is set of all real numbers x except 2. So to get the range, just get the horizontal asymptote. So the horizontal asymptote of the function is 1 is equals to 1, where n and m are the degrees of the exponent. So 1 is equals to 1 is equals to y is equals to a over b, where a and b are the leading coefficient of the polynomial. So just substitute the value y is equals to 3 over 1. So the horizontal asymptote of the function is y is equals to 3. So the range of the function is set of all real numbers y except 3.
F of x is equals to 2x plus 3 over x squared minus 16. The denominator is x squared minus 16. Set it equal to 0 and solve for x. X squared minus 16 is equals to 0. X squared is equals to 16. Square root of both sides. X squared is equals to positive and negative 4. Therefore, the domain is all real numbers except x is equals to 4 and x is equals to negative 4. Just get the horizontal asymptote where n and m is the exponent. Since the n is greater than m, there may be no horizontal asymptote. Therefore, set of all real numbers is y.
Try to solve for the domain and range of the given function.